30 seconds. That's how long my thumbnails take me now. I used to spend hours fighting with Photoshop, making thumbnails that still looked amateur. Then I discovered ThumbnailCreator AI. This AI was trained on thousands of viral thumbnails. It actually knows what drives clicks. You paste in your video idea, and within 30 seconds, you get multiple professional options. Zero design skills required. Zero design skills required. It's built specifically for YouTube, optimizes for mobile, where 70% of views happen, and even tells you when old thumbnails need refreshing. It's built specifically for YouTube, optimizes for mobile, where 70% of views happen, and even tells you when old thumbnails need refreshing. Face-aware generation makes expressions pop for more clicks. No pro photos needed. Face swap is a tap, perfect for team channels or guests. Style cloning keeps your brand consistent across every upload. Smart text placement limits words, picks bold fonts, and keeps it mobile readable. Object swapping lets you test ideas fast, no masking nightmares. Or start from 100+ popular templates and tweak. Then export perfectly sized or publish to YouTube in one click. I've been using this across my channels, and my click-through rates have legitimately improved. Side by side, the difference is obvious. Creators keep saying the same thing: faster, better, more views. It's trained on high-performing designs and keeps improving with every update. If you're burning hours on thumbnails, check out ThumbnailCreator, links below. Use my link to get started, thumbnailcreator.com.atp/QYQ-SUJOWE5. Seriously, get those hours of your life back.
This 60-minute session will help leaders and organizations solve real-world challenges using tailored, AI-driven, strategic solutions. We specialize in business and management consulting, efficiency, scalability, and growth strategies, AI and automation strategy, AI agents, compliance-ready ML tools, workflow automation, executive coaching, leadership readiness, team alignment, and growth mindset, IT and SaaS development, cloud architecture, digital transformation, secure IT design, marketing strategy, AI-powered audience targeting, funnel optimization, brand elevation, change management, digital adoption, stakeholder buy-in, team readiness. Ideal for business owners, government contractors, tech leads, and C-level executives seeking strategy, clarity, and next step solutions. Before the call, to get the most out of this session, please have ready a summary of your business and goals, any relevant documentation or access links, 2 to 3 key questions you want answered, remote, global, certain rules apply according to jurisdiction, starting at $250 per hour Zoom link provided upon confirmation, movie camera explore success stories, youtube.com/@Consultants LLC. Let's unlock what's next for your business, your team, and your mission.